What are you doing? We are going to the Buckeye Air Fair. Brian's excited because he loves jets.
Anybody who's watching this, I want to do it.
But we have had a lot of fun here, mainly because of that kooky roadrunner that...
I don't know if I like the way that you present things.
So you told me to just tell you what's wrong.
Am I going to regret this?
Dude, what are you holding?
He's wagging his tail.
Are you part dog? I've never been this close to a roadrunner before. What are you doing? Look like a freaking dinosaur though, like running around on all the solar panels with a freaking lunch snack in his mouth. Anyway, we've been here for 5 minutes and already it's been very exciting. I wonder if this is how they find the love of their life, is they flop around a dead lizard and make cooing sound. Our buddy's out here just behind the bush. Let's see if he'll stop by and say hello. Oh, never mind. He's walking far off into the distance. Let's see if he'll come by and say hello. He was on the roof. What are you doing, buddy? Come on. Come on. Jumped on the roof and I heard him. As soon as I opened the door, he jumped down and ran away.
Where are you going? Come back.
I don't know how the hell you makeup girlies put on makeup while you talk to the camera, because I can't do that. So today, we are going to the Buckeye Air Fair. We're going to see wing walkers. We're going to see military helicopters that I've never seen in person before. Brian's excited because he loves jets and has always wanted to fly in. I'm very excited because I love watching stunt devils do crazy stuff. I always loved Evel Knievel growing up and wanted to be just like him, little daredevil. So seeing the wing walkers, the people that climb out onto the wings of the airplane while they're flying in the air, is why I'm really excited. It's 10 minutes away from where we're staying in Robbins Butte, and it's only freaking $10 to park. Keep your eyes out for this air show, because it's gonna be pretty cool.
It's only 9:40 right now. Do you want to go?
Heck yeah, man! Honestly, talk about a happy accident. We just happened to be in the right place at the right time. I'm following you today, so you know more about all this stuff.
No, I don't. They just fly.
Because I was doing my usual deep dive research on the area and stumbled across this gem.
This plane is like the Volkswagen of the airplane world. It's tiny.
It's just bare bones. Like, you can't even bring a tote bag in there. I want to go see the P-51 Mustang because it's my favorite plane. Can we talk about the real hero and villain of any fair? The food. The smell of fresh coffee, churros, and barbecue swirling together is basically a targeted attack on my willpower.
I'm trying to just look at planes here and I smell donuts.
It's just the smell of deep fry. Can't distinguish if it's a meat or a potato, but it freaking smells good and I want it. Brian and I have been to our fair share of air shows, but this one had a serious flair. We're so grateful for the pioneers who literally threw themselves into the clouds, even the ones who didn't always get the front page credit they deserved. That actually leads us perfectly into the spot that celebrates some of the most daring pilots in history. The Women Air Fair Support Pilots celebrated in the National WASP World War II Museum.
What am I looking at right here?
This is a cockpit of a BT-13. So this is a replica of the BT-13 cockpit. The museum actually has a flying BT-13, one of about 20 in the world that still fly. We also have a UC-78, one of about 5 in the world that still fly. Yes, this is an actual cockpit. It's not a replica.
Oh, wow.
This is a cockpit.
you imagine shrapnel in the air with how thin this is?
So we're located at Sweetwater, Texas, on Avenger Field, which is where these women trained. It was the only women, all women Air Force base. So these women, there was 1,102 that served. They had to follow all the military rules, but they got no military benefits. Not till 1978 were they recognized as military.
I wonder how crazy the radio talk would be right now. Like, oh, I'm coming in and do a death barrel roll.
Katie just popped up and said, oh, and pointed at the two jets coming by. Luxury with where we're staying is we've watched them fly by daily. I think these jets are coming by at speed.
Something was so big you could feel it in your chest, and it was so loud. You could feel your eardrums wobbling.
How does it even fly?
Did you say 35 miles an hour?
No, that was just me.
Oh, okay. It looks like it. I mean, there's someone hanging on the outside of the plane, so I hope they're not going too fast.
If anybody is watching this and they own a biplane and they do this, where you like get to stand up on top and do loops, if anybody is watching this, I want to do it. Get a hold of me and I'll come and do it.
I'll do it with you. I'll fly the plane.
Okay, if anybody's watching that whole watch statement that I made, don't let her fly. That's just crazy looking.
It scares me a little bit.
Somebody did that accidentally and then they're like, oh, let's do that again.
I didn't know that was gonna happen.
No way. We got another special little visitor thanks to the Air Force base close by.
Hey, bud.
Cutie pie.
You showing us what lizard?
Time to make a coffee for the road. We have no idea where we're going today, but we know we're heading south.
We're going on an adventure!
One of the things I love about packing up and moving spots is you kind of get to clean your house every time. Sweep some floor, dust some stuff, and then you move on.
Yeah, I was about to tell you that before I get everything back in the place, I just want to wipe down my kitchen.
Yeah.
This is kind of dusty. It was a bit windy. Well, as I let Auto Hitch do its thing, I just wanted to share something with you all. That we have had a lot of fun here. Mainly because of that kooky roadrunner that would stop by multiple times a day. And I'm gonna miss him.
I got a compliment the other day of how well I did pulling into the little back road where we stayed this last while. So it made me feel good that I actually know how to tow this thing.
What would you like to tell those people?
Thanks, guys.
Lead on.
So as everybody knows, when you're driving for distances, the simplest thing can just start entertaining you. And we came over a crest, and on that crest, all of a sudden there was a bunch of flat land. And of course, that rhymed. So then it had to turn into the flat land has a fat man playing in the sand man. His name is Sam, man. And so on and so forth. But I just want you to know, my skills are like a 1%. Oh, and Katie loves my songs. Don't you? At least give him a look of belief.
Oh, of course.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Smell bad.
Nah, I think it's just water. It's time to do the poop dance.
Well, the next spot that we could get water at was 40-minute drive away. However, we spontaneously just decided to pull into a Pilot and saw that there was a spigot by the air pump. Whoa, hold on.
So it looks like you found some water there.
We found some water here in the desert. Our lips are parched. We're about to die from dehydration. Thanks, Pilot.
It's a whole lot of dancing going on today.
Yeah, I'm in a dancing mood. After this, we finally get to go to our spot, and we can go to the one I wanted to go to.
Nice.
That has trees, which doesn't sound exciting, but when you're in the middle of the scorching desert, it is an oasis.
Scorching. It's a whole 80 degrees out. Do we want to go that far?
The road noise being right here. Oh, that does look a little shit, huh? Looks kind of crazy.
Why don't we park here? We'll take a walk.
Yeah! It was a nice walk to eat a Cliff Bar, read a peculiar sign, and see that the road is not as bad as what it looked like when we were in the car. We drove down that road, checking out what we think about this spot. I barely hear the road traffic noise though. This whole place is so open. It's like so many choices. We aren't used to this many choices. Usually it's just kind of, oh, we were able to back in here and we can get out. That's where we're staying. We got options here. What are you doing?
I'm using my sun tracker app so I know where the sun is setting. I know where the sun is setting. Then you can follow the track of it all the way down to where the sun rises. Now I know the best angle for our solar setup. So that slope helps get a lot more sun during the day.
I would like to back up 5 feet for the reason that the mat is going to go there and this little bush is going to be right in the corner. And I foresee myself kicking it at some point. Normally I'm not this picky, but I can't be this picky right now. So I'm going to be. That's good. Thank you. Oh, the things my man does for me.
My life is so difficult.
My love, there's something I need to point out to you. If you want to, okay, sit down in that chair and tell me what you see that is wrong.
Do I want to know? go, call done.
Cool. Quick fix. Problem to solving it within 5 minutes.
Solved for another day. I don't know if I like the way that you present things that are wrong. Because as soon as you tell me to sit down, then I know that there's something wrong. Nobody likes that.
I'm sorry.
You just build up. Just tell me what's wrong.
Okay.
Please. Slow down my heart. We made it. We're here. It's time for a snack.
So you told me to just tell you what's wrong.
Okay. Am I going to regret this?
I mean, it just needs to be fixed, so...
What is it?
It's the bottom shelf in the pantry.